Hi, let's talk about the body bag.
But first, let's set up the stretcher. It's light, made out of aluminum, and has transported thousands of bodies so far. The bags come in different colors, with black being the most hated one. Each bag comes with those flimsy, good-for-nothing plastic gloves. I put the bag on the stretcher and unfold it to prevent smearing the stretcher with fluids. I put the body in the bag and zip it up. I don't trust those clamps anymore, so I make 2 additional knots. The wheels make the stretcher easy to maneuver in tight spaces. To fold the bag, we pull it, fold it in the middle, and then roll it into tight square. The child body bag is much smaller than the adult one. I don't like them, and they traumatize the parents even further, no matter how you put the child in them. I prefer taking a blanket and gently wrapping the child inside it. It just feels more right. In some older Polish homes, people are often wrapping the head with bandage to prevent the mouth from being wide open. They join the hands together, put a holy picture or a rosary in them, light a candle, and pray until we arrive. This is the most common position if someone dies on the couch. This is how we often find them on the floor. This is another one. I call this position as above, so below. If someone was suffering from serious disease, then they are often rolled into a ball from all the pain. The bodies sometimes bubble or make sounds by themselves, or when you put their hands above their head. You pick the body by the wrists and the other person by the ankles, or when it is too heavy, under the knees. This is my wife. She's the love of my life, and I love her to death. We had a lot of fun filming this. She couldn't keep a straight face, even if her life would depend on it. I put her in the bag and the stretcher for almost 5 minutes, which was a bit too long, but she survived and started talking immediately once unzipped, so we needed to do another take. As for the baby, it is alive and well. It was just acting. If you like, check out the sitcom pilot that I've made with my wife during the 2020 lockdown. Thanks for watching. See you next time.